Oh, that's not good. Welcome to the channel, or if you've had the misfortune of being here before, welcome back. Today, if everything goes to plan, we will be replacing the primer bulb on this Talon 32cc two-stroke petrol blower back. Here are some of the tools we will need to complete this task. While we're at it, we'll be replacing the spark plug as well. Here is our replacement primer bulb. Some people refer to it as a purge bulb, but I'm going with primer bulb because that's what's written on the packet. First we will remove the air filter using the Chrome T25 Torx bit. There's our air filter, looks okay. Next we will remove this plastic housing from around the carburetor using the same T25 Torx bit. These screws are quite long. A bit of jiggling and we're off. Now we have access to our carby. Lift it up. There's a gasket here which we need to keep, so we'll put that aside. You'll see here is the throttle cable which hooks into this linkage here. Sometimes you have to manually take it out, sometimes it just pops out. Now using a 1-point Phillips head screwdriver, we shall remove the broken primer bulb and replace it with one that's not broken. There is a little washer under each of these screws which we need to not lose. Here is our new primer bulb. Simply push it in from underneath this metal plate. And then reassemble what we've just disassembled. Just go around and nip all these up. Click. 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 And that is our primer bulb replaced. All we do now is put this back together. Now for the fun part. First we reattach our throttle cable like so. Put our gasket back in. Hopefully. Maneuver this back into place without moving anything. Looks good. Gasket's still in place. Get our T25 Torx bit. No need to over tighten these because we don't want to strip the thread. Click. Using the built-in torque wrench in my elbow. Click. I reckon that's tight enough. And we just put our air filter back in. Put the cover back on. Tighten it up. Same with this, no need to over tighten as you're only screwing into plastic and you don't want to strip the thread. Click. Remember, any advice on here is of a general nature only. Always consult your local small engine repair specialist if you're not sure. Next, we'll replace the spark plug using the Kin Chrome 3/8 square drive 5/8 deep socket. Here is our new MGK spark plug. Click. Fairly simple task. Put the lead back on and we're done. Now for the moment of truth. That's better. You can see the primer bulb is working as fuel has been drawn up into it. You may be wondering why there's one screw left. That's for the screw to retain the tube for when you're using the blowing function. I just took it off because it was easier to work with without it attached. All we need to do now is put it back on. First of all, I'm going to apply some lube because it was quite difficult to get off. As we know, lube always makes things slide in a lot easier. As always, if you enjoy this garbage, like and subscribe. If you don't enjoy it, like and subscribe anyway. The blow function definitely works better with the long tube on. When blowing, it's always good to have a long tube. What we do now is attach this screw like so. It's also a T25 screw. I just need to go get the T25 bit because I've already put it away. And there we go. All that's left to do now is see if it will start, run and blow. This will probably be my last video for this year due to my hectic schedule. So I wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'd call that a win. Thanks for watching.